everybody, it's Laura Vesepka at Creative 360, and if you're watching this video, then you've purchased our ArtSpark project kit for collage. I want to take a few minutes to show you what's inside of your kit so that you can get started on the 3 projects that we've included for you in this particular kit. The first project that you'll be working on are some tags, collaged tags, so small scale. Your second project is a little larger scale, and it'll be a greeting card, you can see that it folds, with an accompanying envelope. And your last project, the larger scale, will happen on this heavy piece of mat board that we've included so that you can create some frameable art. We haven't done an instructional video for this particular kit because everyone's collage piece is going to be very personal based on their own design sense. We have, however, included an instructional sheet which will guide you through the basics that you need to know just for the physical techniques for making collage, but also the design techniques that'll make your piece exactly the way you want it to be. So what are you going to use to make this collage? Well, we've included a number of things in the box. The first is we've given you a set of color-coordinated papers. These are scrapbook papers, and you can see this particular set are purple, and they've got some flowers on them, so there's some coordination to these papers. Also, there's some really interesting papers in here. So in this particular box, for example, there's a piece of vintage wrapping paper. Beautiful. There is a page from an old cookbook. There is a piece of sheet music. There are 2 pages from an old novel. And last but not least, there's a magazine in every box. This particular magazine is a gardening magazine. It goes along with the papers that I showed you. Not every one of these boxes will be themed, but some will, and they'll be labeled with those themes. So if you're looking for a particular type of collage to create, maybe it's about animals, maybe it's gardening, maybe it's birds, we'll have those labeled. The last thing that you're going to find in your kit, paper-wise, is this little baggie. These are all the small bits that'll go into your collage that we didn't want to get lost in the box. Julie refers to these as paper ephemera. So what's in this little bag? Well, it depends on what your other papers are, but you might find some other cut-out small pieces, some stickers, maybe some cut-out words, and some old postage stamps that are probably color-coordinated to those papers. So you've got a lot of different paper pieces to choose from. Remember that collage, by definition, is paper. So everything in your collage is paper. You can supplement the paper that you use for your collage as well. Look around your house. You've got some interesting things there that you probably never thought of as art. For example, I'm sure you're getting junk mail catalogs in the mail all the time. There might be some really interesting pieces that you can cut out for your collage in this. Also, you probably get bills every day. But what you probably didn't think about is how cool the inside of your bills are, the bill envelope. Really nice designed paper. See, bills aren't all bad. The last thing you're going to find in this box that's really important is the glue. It's not just any old glue stick. This is Elmer's Craft Bond Extra Strength. You want to use a really strong glue here because you don't want the edges of your paper to lift up. The thing you might want to supplement for when it comes to gluing is you might want to get an old gift card, old credit card, this is my AAA card, and use this to actually flatten out your pieces as you adhere them to the collage. This helps to spread the glue and it gets the bubbles out as you work. The other thing that you're going to need to find at home, because everyone has a personal preference, and especially there's left and right-handed versions, are your scissors. So you're going to probably want 2 kinds of scissors, a larger pair to cut larger pictures out, say of the magazine, but you're also going to want a smaller pair with a sharp tip for cutting out all those intricate little designs of a piece. Julie refers to that as fussy cutting, and again, they make very special small-scale scissors to do that work. So in this kit, you have everything that you need to make 3 projects: the collaged tags, the collaged greeting card, and the collaged mat board that you can then frame. There are a lot of videos out there on YouTube that'll give you some ideas for your collage, but I say just go with what you think is most interesting. Now, what if you're thinking, I'd like a little more instruction with this? Well, we've got you covered, because the other thing you're going to find in your kit is this. Julie Welsh is holding a workshop on November 11th, and it's going to be on collage techniques. We're going to go do some really fast-paced exercises that'll kind of get you thinking really hard about the basics of collage and how to make your piece the best possible. So that's on November 11th, and because you've purchased this kit, you have the option to bring a friend for free when you register for this class. So give us a call at Creative 360 or head onto our website and you can sign up right on the website, because we'd love to see you at the workshop. I'll be there helping Julie and learning some things myself. So thanks again for purchasing this ArtSpark Collage Kit. We really hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or any problems, just give us a call. We'll connect you with Julie, and I know she'll be happy to help. Enjoy your collaging.